Hello guys, welcome to my channel. The other day I had a video on the screen protector that I was going to use on my S22 Ultra, and I showed everybody that. Today we're just doing a week follow-up. I've had my S22 Ultra for a week, and I wanted to talk about this camera protector. This camera protector was something that I mentioned I wasn't going to use. I don't like glass on top of glass when it comes to a camera. It's nice to protect your lenses and everything, but sometimes it causes ghosting and flare from the sunlight. Well, I'm pleased to announce that this camera protector worked out really nice. Now I'm going to be putting this one on my wife's S22 Ultra when hers comes in the mail. Her phone is still out on back order, but this is my S22 Ultra that arrived, and this is what it looks like when you have the screen protector on there. Now this case is a Taurus case, which I did a review on that, and it fit this glass protector, which is made by HK, which I was very surprised that the glass protector, it fit really nice. The fitting of the glass on the case was a perfect fit. Sometimes you might get a case that doesn't fit the other manufacturer's product, and as you can see, I already have installed the vinyl. You can see around that camera hole right there that the little vinyl lip is showing if you look really close. But other than that, you don't see any edges, any of the screen protector, the vinyl screen protector showing. You do, let's see. So the vinyl screen protector is nice and clear. Everything shows up very nice. The case is excellent with these screen protectors. And that is how the glass looks on the back, protecting those lenses. If you've seen any drop videos on the S22 Ultra, you know that the lens is very susceptible to cracking. You drop the camera, the back glass may be, the back of the phone might be fine, but you may lose one of your cameras. Now, I'm not prone to dropping mine, but this came in the kit with the vinyl lens protector, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna, well, let me just say that those three lenses are very susceptible to getting a lot of dust around them, and not like the Note 20 where they had the glass protected and you only got the dust around the whole setup. So I highly recommend a vinyl screen protector. You won't be sorry as far as micro scratches and stuff. Of course, it doesn't protect from drops, but that's where whatever case you choose, if you've got the lip on here to protect it, of course that only protects it on flush surfaces. If you had dropped it on cement with rocks, then you will be on your own with that. If you have a heavy duty case, you don't have to worry about that. But I just wanted to show you guys that this glass protector, see this little case, till you get it broke in, it's kind of slippery too, because it's got a satiny finish to it. This glass protector from HK, and this is the box it came in. I mean LK. Oh, wow. Got the name wrong. Good thing I looked at the box. From LK, screen protector. Came with the screen protector, and it came with the lens protector, which was a nice bonus. They used to give you 3 screen protectors and no lens protectors, but now they're giving you the lens protectors. So I think it's a good idea to protect those 3 lenses, because they are just sitting out there waiting to be smacked, and they don't have the protection like the Note 20. The Note 20 was pretty robust with that big block around those lenses. But these lenses are just sticking out there ready to happen. Whatever is going to happen is going to happen. I really like the way this Taurus case fits the phone, and especially protecting the edges on the vinyl. I didn't do a video showing the vinyl. The vinyl install, LK has videos. You can just scan the barcode and you can watch the installation video there. This is my second use of the LK. I used them on the Note 20 Ultra and I really like them. I don't get paid. This is not an endorsement. This is my personal opinion, what I spent my money on, how I'm protecting my S22 Ultra from day one. Put it in the case, put the vinyl on it, put the screen protector on it, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.